Are you excited to work on cars?
Yeah.
I don't see that excitement.
I don't have to show it.
You have to show it.
It's inside.
Hello once again, welcome back guys to Advancebay. This is my son Nicodemus. My name is Dimitri. You guys don't see me right now, but I'm here, I'm speaking. And we're working on a 2011 Porsche Panamera. And we're dismantling this car for parts. And please watch our episodes down below, you guys will see them. Check our store. And I'm teaching my son, he's 10 years old, how to work on cars, how to pull parts. In our last episode, we pulled the mirrors. And today we want to do, we want to remove the fender, but before doing that, we have to remove the side skirt. So Nicodemus, this is at the bottom, the plastic, you see? Long piece right here. Yeah, that's called side skirt. Okay. So that we have the bolts for the fender, they're behind the side skirt, so we have to remove this. And you see we have some wooden blocks right here. We're gonna have to lift up the car to get access to the bolts, screws underneath. I want to show you guys really quick. So this is the side skirt, and at the bottom you can see there's screws. See right here, like this is a screw right here. We're gonna have to unscrew every bolt like this all the way at the bottom, and then we'll see to if we can pull it out. Okay. So Nicodemus, are you ready to unscrew them?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Oh, it's actually not screws. I thought it was screws, but it's plastic clips like this.
Oh, it's a black.
So it's a black plastic clips.
Plastic.
Yeah, they come off really easy. I think you can probably unscrew them by hand too. See, if you really want to, but it's better to use impact like this.
Faster. If you don't have a drill, you can do it. Okay.
Yeah, let's check on the back right here.
There's more.
And now here.
Yep.
So now we have a metal one.
Oh, the plastic is separate one.
Okay, so this one is off. Probably a clip right here.
And here.
Here we have another screw. Okay, I think we're done at the back. Let's see. Okay.
This thing's off. Oh, there's some bolts.
Is there any bolts?
Yeah, there's one.
No, that's not. It's not holding side skirt. So let's go towards the front. See what we can find at the front. At the front we have the fender liner. And the fender liner, I'm just pulling the fender liner like this. And looks like we have one screw right here. And we have the wooden blocks, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use our jack, the airbag jack to lift it up to move the off the bricks, so we have the access to that screw. Okay. Yeah, looks like nothing's holding, so I'm gonna have to find a different position for the blocks, like this. Okay, so guys, as you guys can see, I moved the blocks, and I have one more screw I found out. Maybe we'll run into some other ones right here. Here is a screw right here. Hey Silas, what's up?
Hi.
Have you ever seen a car like this?
No.
No? This is a Porsche Panamera.
Wow.
See, and I'm teaching Nicodemus how to work on a car like this. You can learn too if you watch our YouTube channel.
How did this break?
Accident.
Yeah. If I take this
Okay, Nicodemus, let's go. We gotta finish this really quick. Hold the camera.
And then it could be like a badge.
Okay, so we're gonna have
I
to
already have one.
pull the side skirt. Never pulled one, so I will try to. Okay, it looks like there's clips at the bottom, and let me use some other tools.
I already put one.
Okay.
Is it like a Tesla?
I don't see any screws, nothing. So there's clips behind the side skirt. Okay, there you go. So you gotta pop the clips like this. Okay, Nicodemus. And then you just sort of pull the side skirt. And you want to keep the doors open to pull. There you go.
What if we don't keep them open? That's closer.
So, guys, this is a side skirt right here. This is a side skirt. And at the bottom, Nicodemus, show us. So you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plastic clips.
That's a lot.
Like this. They're holding the side skirt. And you're gonna have 2 screws right here that you're gonna have to loose them, and then you just break the clips like this. Just pull them off the car. So that's it. This is for the, this is how you pull the side skirt. Now, Nicodemus, we have access right here. That's gonna be our next episode. We have access to the fender, so we have the bolts, but we will show that in our next episode. Okay? Were you excited?
Yeah.
To see how to pull?
Yeah.
See, there you go, guys. This is the side skirt right here. We just pulled with Nicodemus. So Nicodemus, put it on this rack right here. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Silas, are you going to subscribe to our channel?
Maybe.
What do you mean maybe? At the top. What do you mean maybe? You gotta subscribe and tell everybody to subscribe to Advancebay channel. Are you gonna do that?
I'll ask my parents.
Oh, that's a good, very good, very good. But you learn a lot, how to work on cars.
Your dad probably subscribed. Yeah, my dad needs to watch it because he even fixes cars.
That's cool. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.